The iPhone 17e is shaping up to be one of Apple's most compelling affordable iPhones, expected to launch in spring 2026, most likely around April or May. It's rumored to feature a refined 6.1-inch OLED display with slimmer bezels and potential support for Dynamic Island, giving it a more modern, premium appearance compared to previous budget-oriented models. While it may keep a standard refresh rate to balance price and battery efficiency, display quality is still expected to be excellent with strong brightness and color accuracy. Performance should be a standout thanks to the powerful A19 chip, delivering fast multitasking, smooth gaming, and improved AI-driven features that make the phone feel truly flagship-level in everyday use. On the camera side, the iPhone 17e is expected to include a 48MP main camera capable of capturing detailed photos and improved low-light shots, supported by Apple's advanced computational photography. The front camera is also likely to see an upgrade, improving selfie quality and video calls, which will appeal to creators and social media users. The phone should feature USB-C connectivity, MagSafe support, and strong battery optimization that comfortably lasts a full day of use. Running the latest version of iOS, it will bring new software features, privacy improvements, and deeper ecosystem integration. Overall, the iPhone 17e looks set to offer a balanced mix of performance, design, and value, making it an attractive option for users who want a modern iPhone experience without paying flagship prices.